Hello everyone, Matt here with today's product highlight, the TKA 2071. The TKA 2071 Torque King Premium Gasket Kit is our premium gasket for the NP205 gear-driven transfer case and is a cut above the rest. Being the most complete as well as best quality kit you can buy, they're assembled with the highest quality components for your specific NP205 transfer case and made right here in the USA, specifically for us at Torque King. Competitive kits are assembled for generic applications and are rarely included all the components required for your exact transfer case. Plus, most generic kits use inadequate materials and don't even come close to meeting the OE specs. In an effort to keep these prices lower than our premium kits, they do meet original specifications. The TK 2071 kit for the Chevy and GMC 205 transfer cases specifically fits the years 69 to 84, 10 and 24 spline input transfer cases. We also have kits for all the other NP205s and many more transfer cases used on our domestic trucks and SUVs. For more information, as well as to purchase this part, visit our website at torqueking.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.